Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD in Ghana. Today we are making goat meat peanut soup. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy soup. But if you're new to this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys. Always come along. Thank you so much. Come with me and let's go together. By the way, please give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so that when I make a video, you'll be the first person to know. Share my videos with your friends and family. Come with me and let's go together. Thank you. For our ingredients, we'll be needing our goat meat, that is the key ingredient, and the peanut butter. We have some fresh tomatoes, onion, peppers, shallots, stock cube, that is our catfish ají, and blended ginger and garlic, salt to taste. And we are going to accompany our soup will go with our banku, and we are making banku. So the banku is cassava dough and corn dough. So we are going to enjoy our soup with banku. These are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. Start with the chopping of our shallot. It's always important. Typical Ghanaian soup always needs some chopped shallot on it. Ahead and add my chopped shallots. Now add my blended ginger and garlic and spices. I'll add my stock cube and salt to my taste. Go ahead and stir everything in. Goat meat has a lot of flavors, so when you are cooking goat meat, anytime you are using goat meat for your soup or sauces, it has a lot of flavor. So you just need a few ingredients. I'm going to cover it. I'm not going to add any water to this meat, only for the juices of the meat to do its job. If you are going to leave it like this on a higher heat, and then we'll come and lower it later. Go ahead and check on our meat, how our goat meat is doing. As you can see, we did not add any water on it, but the juices on the meat is perfectly cooking our meat. It always makes your meat very tasty and flavorful. You get all the aromas and the flavors that you need in your soup. I'll go ahead and add some water to my meat. I'll add my veggies, tomatoes. I'll add my tomatoes, onion, and the pepper. Let's go ahead and cover it. We'll start with the preparation of our peanuts. Ghana and cats and quite they all know that you really have to fry it in to get the flavors that you need. Hands are washed and clean, so I'll go ahead and mix it with water. This is original, authentic Ghana goat meat peanut soup. It's a punchy and cutting quite And this particular soup can be enjoyed with anything, with fufu, with kokonte, with banku, with emutio, with rice, anything, because it's so special and it tastes so delicious. And the flavors from the goat's hair makes it also takes it to another level. Our peanut is ready just the way we want it. I wash up my hands in it and then we'll start frying it. We are preparing our peanuts. As you can see, it's still doing really good, but to get it really good, you really need, after it starts cooking, you see when oil starts to settle on top, that it means your peanut is ready. Guys, subscribers from Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire and Togo, please comment below. Let me know how you also prepare your peanut soup, because we Ghanaians, we fry in our peanut before adding it to the soup. Your friend said, so if you also do the same process, comment below. But if you also have another comment, please let me know in the comment section how you do your peanut soup, how you prepare your peanut soup. For my subscribers in Nigeria, Togo and Cote d'Ivoire and other parts of the world, please comment below and let me know how you prepare your peanuts for your soup. Because we in Ghana here, we do it like we are chilling in katsium, or we are frying in our peanut before adding it to the soup. So comment below. I'm very interested. I really want to know how you also prepare your peanut butter for your soup. It's very, very important. I really want to know. We'll start blending our veggies. So this is pepper, onions and tomatoes. But we'll go ahead and blend our veg. I'll add little water to the veggies for it to be easy to be blended. Go ahead and add my blended tomatoes, pepper and onions to the soup. Let's go ahead and add some water to our soup. But because I'll be adding the peanuts later, I'll just leave it like this, and then after I'll add more water. It's really cooked. It's almost you can see it's almost done. There's a little bit of oil settling on top, so we are almost there. And this makes your peanut butter, making your peanut soup very easy, because it takes a lot of time when you add it direct to your soup. That is ready, guys. Our peanut is ready, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of oil settling on top. And I'm really going to remove all this oil to fry my eggs, because I really love it. Peanut oil, I really love it. So I'm going to remove it. It's quite a lot, guys. Just look. It's not much, but you can use this oil to fry your eggs. When you use peanut oil to fry eggs, it gives a lot of flavor. And if you have something like if you're making like something stir fry, you need just a little oil. You can also use it. It really gives a lot of flavor to anything like you need peanut oil for. Oh, wow. Yeah, then please, I've got enough to fry my eggs. I'll go ahead and add some water to my fried peanuts, and I'll add it to my soup. Guys, the flavors here is also punching quite papa and cutting quite papa. Guys, just have a look. Yen cutting quite papa bini. The flavors here, no. Guys, look at our goat meat with the skin. It's really makes it really special. Our soup is doing perfect. I'll go ahead and add my aji, that is my catfish, for more flavors. It's always important. Ghana and Kwai, aji with more. Let me see the knock another level. Now add some pepper, green pepper, for more of extra flavors. So, prosciutto. I'll lower the heat. Not suitable. And come for the flavors to obtain in the soup. Guys, this is our authentic Ghana goat meat peanut soup. It looks so delicious. It will go with everything. I'm going to taste for salt. Perfect. I'm not going to add any salt to it. It's okay. Salt is always to your taste. So our soup is doing really good, guys. Just have a look. Oh, aponchina sunni. Hey, incredible. So we'll start with the preparation of our banku. So this is our corn dough, and then we take a part of cassava dough. I'll go ahead and add water to mix. Salt is always to your taste, so this is the amount of salt I'm using. Mix everything together. Our soup is ready, so we are going to set it aside and prepare our banku. Look at the texture, a perfect texture, you see, because since we are eating it with soup, this is the perfect texture that we are looking for. See how it is? Really, it's really good. Our banku is ready, so we'll go ahead and mold it. Guys, our banku is ready, so we are going to dig in our soup and serve. Food is ready. Let's dig in and serve, guys. Just have a look. The flavors here will amaze you. Yes, go ahead and add our almighty ajene, guys, and add some soup. Whoa. Let's add some okra to make the swallow easy, guys. Or add some chilies for more flavor, guys. Yam kwai papa bi na eden aye ready wa hano. Our authentic Ghanaian goat meat peanut soup with banku is ready. Guys, look at how it is. The flavors here will amaze you. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this authentic soup. But if you are not to this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone stopping by always to watch my videos, this kiss is for you guys. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Hit the notification bell, share my videos with your friends and family. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Bye. Adios. Kiss.